you've been a MC, you've been into corporate world. Has anyone shared or thrown mixed feelings to you, or you felt here this guy is trying to flirt but does not look like he's trying to flirt?
No, because I don't focus on them. Honestly, अगर मेरा attention किसी पे romantically जाना है ना, it has to be very direct towards me. And also I qualify who I would like to like me. Sounds very like, you know, very exploitative, but yeah, I'm that kind of person. I mean, I need to allow someone, for example, there is a person who I wouldn't like that he hits on me. I'll maintain,
you do not like?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
How would someone approach you then? You say you are open.
यार मेरी ना पर्सनालिटी ऐसी है ना निखिल, बहुत इंटिमिडेटिंग है. सो नॉट एवरीवन who likes me reaches out to me. Second thing, they understand that I'm not just a party girl. When I come back home, I'm a very regular girl. I'm very, very ambitious. So, for example, if someone fell in love, let's not even call it love. For example, someone liked one version of me. Is he able to handle the others? Most of the times, no. They just want the fun stuff, the fun Prachi. The Prachi who goes out, you know, the Prachi who parties. That's it. Nothing else.
Has anyone approached you? And I just want to listen a kissa
So
of you.
many.
Give me the best kissa you feel like.
Approached me.
Nahin, like you even thought कि यार I should have taken a step, or
I did take a step.
तुमने किसी का पॉश कंप्लेंट तो नहीं मारा ना कभी?
No. No. It has never been in my workspace, honestly. And I, okay, मेरा एक alter ego है. When I'm at work, this is not the energy that you get. This energy only my team gets, जिनके साथ मैं regularly काम कर रही हूँ, and that too over the period of a time. Other people get a very scary, very strict personality. They cannot joke around me. They cannot laugh with me. Of course, we can hang out and have fun when we are not working, but not in a work setting. No, not at all. So in my office, not at all. Nobody has ever approached me. Nobody even can think of approaching me because I look scary.
But you haven't given me a kissa.
The best one was okay, it's very romantic. There was someone on the stage. By the way, I don't like this person anymore, but still that moment was very nice. So this person was on the stage, and I was not an MC back then, and I didn't know him. It was my first encounter. So this guy goes up the stage and beats से मुझे ऐसे बुलाता है, आप इधर आओ, क्या देख रहे हो, क्या सोच, something like that.
जो random MCs करते हैं.
जो random MCs करते हैं. मुझे क्या पता था कि random हर show पे जाके करता है. मुझे तो लगा wow, he just fell in love with me because why not? Anyway, so that happened, and he started singing a song for me, and I'm like, wow, this is my romance. This is what, you know, मैं करण जौहर की movie से पढ़ी हुई हूँ. I want this kind of fairy tale, you know. Up to I have imagined our kids together, and wow, how we will sing Bollywood songs and everything. But of course, it was a shit show because life ना बाद में बहुत serious हो जाती है. सिर्फ stage पे एक performance determine नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ, वो hook था.
Yeah. It was just a hook, but it was very beautiful. I mean, wow. I mean,
did you guys
why
take
not?
next step forward?
Of course we did. And then we took the end step also. But yeah, it was very special in that moment. Yeah, it's for example, if you
was
are a
he
singer,
the one who introduced you to MC?
Not introduced, challenged. He challenged me
To be an MC.
that I cannot be an MC, that I shouldn't be an MC, and I wouldn't be an MC because I'm only good at my desk job. I should go sit in an office. And that's what I'm good
at least उसने ये तो बोला. मुझे लगा he would have said कि you're at least good in making रोटी और चाय बनाना.
ये भी बोला गया है मुझे, एक क्लाइंट ने बोला है.
ओके यार, मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ.
बड़ा ऐसे भी स्टेटमेंट सुने हुए हैं मैंने. क्लाइंट के मुंह से ही सुना है. दैट टू नॉट एन इंडियन क्लाइंट, ऑफ कोर्स इंडियन ऑरिजिन बट नॉट फ्रॉम इंडिया, फ्रॉम अफ्रीका हुआ था, मेरी टीम ने कुछ एक फकअप कर दिया था एक सेल्स के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में, एंड ही जस्ट कॉल्ड मी एंड सेड, एंड माई टीम मेंबर इज़ ऑल्सो अ वुमन, सो व्हाट ही वाज इम्प्लाइंग इज़ कि इसी वजह से आप लोगों की वजह से, तुम लोगों की वजह से ना लड़कियों का काम सिर्फ किचन में ही ठीक है, पता नहीं कहाँ से आ जाते हो वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. And then
सही था बंदा यार.
I gave him a big round of whatever you can call that. I don't take shit from anyone. And then I don't care if you're my client, if you're a high paying client or whatever, my integrity, my self-respect comes first.